Hi, welcome back to the channel. This is Beyond Authentic Health, where we go beyond I'm fine and tell you how we authentically feel. So then, this is a low-sin, low-calorie sweet treat snack haul. And this is actually from 3 shops, from Poundland, Home Bargains and One Below. I think I've got a couple of things in One Below. Yes, well, one thing in One Below. So then, we've got these ice gems. Now, these little bags are actually really, really good. They're 92 calories, so about 4.5, but round it up to 5 sins. And because they're in a packet, you can kind of eat the entire packet, and it's kind of quite easy to control, really. So that's really good. They were £1 in Poundland, I believe. What is that, Poundland? The ice gems? Yes. The pink and whites were in Home Bargains. They were £1. So they are 50 calories each. So 2.5 sins per one of those. So I think that's quite good. The only thing is I've got to be really careful with these because I can open up and eat half a packet in one sitting. So I need to be really, really, really careful because they are just delicious. They're so delicious. But they are quite high in sugar, even though they're only 50 calories. So, you know. Butter kissed popcorn. I can't even speak. Now, this one is the toffee one. It's 85 calories. So again, about 4 sins for a bag. Again, it's really handy because they're all in little pre-portioned bags. Now, this one is actually 63 calories. And which is exactly the same as the Weight Watchers sweet and salted popcorn. But actually, both of these are for Ruffus. He likes his popcorn. And he prefers this one to the Weight Watchers. So there you go. Right then, these are our favourite things in the entire world at the moment. All of these Bliss and Skinny type bars. So these ones, 5 sins each. These are the Crispy Delight ones. Now, they look a little bit like a Rice Krispie treat. So they're kind of like a Rice Krispie treat on the outside. And then if you look, they've got like a nuggety chocolate centre. They're really, really lovely. So yeah, those are mine. And they were, I think they were £1.50 for 6 bars. So not bad. Those were in Home Bargains. These were in Home Bargains as well. 99 calories each. So 5 sins each. These are really delicious. White chocolate and raspberry flavour whip bars. They are, how to describe them? They're sort of almost nougaty, but kind of like a thick nougat, kind of Milky Way type consistency, like in between a nougat and a Milky Way. Yeah. They are absolutely bloody delicious. So yeah, those are really nice. Rainbow drops, we love rainbow drops. So this is a big bag, which is, I can't even remember how many sins this is. Let me have a quick look. Per 20 grams, they are 74 kilos. So 3.5 sins, kilocalories. So 3.5 sins per 20 grams. So in the whole lot, there is about 12 sins in that entire bag. So you can split the bag and eat them, or just eat them all in one go as a 12 sin treat. These 3.5 sins, nearly 4 sins for the Rocky Roads. Ruffus really likes these. These were £1.49, I think, in Home Bargains. These were in one Below, and these were £1. So they're basically the same, but these are like a minty one. I like these ones. And then we've got our Fibre One type bars. So these are first time we've seen these ones actually with Fibre One. Now, they did do some Mo Farah branded ones, which were birthday cake sort of squares. They're a bit weird, to be fair, when you look at them, because I don't really can see here. Like, that makes it look like the colours are really bright. They actually go kind of a bit like green. So it looks like there's mould spots, but it isn't mould spots. At least I hope it's not mould spots. But yeah, so those are really nice. Again, 90 calories, 4.5 sins each. Same with the 2 fake Fibre One bars as well. The Bakerville Fibre One bars. These are a chocolate brownie one. And yeah, again, £1 in Home Bargains. But these were new. Blueberry muffin flavour ones. And they look really yummy. Look how yummy they look with little blueberries in. And again, 90 calories, 4.5 sins. So, oh God, I am going to do a video actually doing a taste test comparison on some of these to let you know what our favourite ones are. But there you go. Just another quick little look at some of the sort of sweet treats that you can get in the bargain shops. So there you go. Hopefully you've enjoyed this video. It's only a very quick one. Do please give it a thumbs up, and we will see you on another video. And as we always say, happy slimming.